Science isn't just something you read about, it's something you experience. From the tiniest cell to the vastness of ecosystems, JoVE science videos bring STEM to life. Prepare students for safe and effective lab sessions with videos on safety, procedures, and protocols. Bring scientific concepts to life with videos that demonstrate theory, methods, and real-world applications. Simplify tough STEM topics with short, engaging videos designed to capture attention and improve understanding. JoVE videos are mapped to standards and organized effectively based on your preference. Videos are also mapped to popular textbooks. These videos provide seamless integration into your curriculum and lessons. From Earth and space science to biology, JoVE covers all major STEM subjects for middle and high school students. JoVE is more than just videos. It's the future of science education. Engage students. Improve outcomes. Save time. For free unlimited access, book a demo now.